Explosion. The Admiral has top secret plans for a magic bomb that will destroy all world leaders. He's at these coordinates.
No!
Thank you. Goodbye. The ambulance is on its way, Roger.
Oh, Ethel, it's too dead for an ambulance. He's late.
The Admiral, your magic bomb.
I know. Admiral and his magic bomb are to blame. I'll get them for this. Do you hear me? This!
Roger, you're too emotionally involved.
Don't try and stop me, Ethel. I'm mad and plenty of it.
We have to get to the Admiral's secret hideout at the core of the Earth before the world leaders are killed.
Yes!
Roger, look out!
That was close. Quick, Ethel, let's avenge the minister's death.
Explosion?
Somebody mention my name? Buto! I might have known it was you. Are you all right, Admiral?
No explosion, I'm over here.
What? There can't be two of you?
Cyborgs explode. Exact replicoids of the world's leaders. A robot army.
Aye! Thousands of them!
Time to die, my friend.
Then it's later than I think. Quick, Ethel, let's get out of here.
My cyborgs!
Well, Explosion, you saved the world from Buto's evil robots, rescued the Admiral, destroyed the magic bomb, and brought me back to life. Well done.
Can we go again on that?
Needless to say, the Prime Minister considers this a most important mission.
Please. Oh.
Sherry Explosion?
Please. Now let me get this straight. The Prime Minister wants me, Roger Explosion, secret agent, to go behind the Iron Curtain and exchange secret missile plans in return for secret documents that tell us all about people who are double agents. But this doesn't make... Oh, go on, sorry.
Exactly.
But this doesn't make sense.
It's the first step in peace negotiations with the Russians, Roger.
The Cold War may finally be over. But how?
I'll let Dr. O'Flaherty explain.
Explosion. The documents are in the briefcase.
It's Buto!
Steady, Explosion. Dr. Flaherty is Buto's twin.
Oh, 1,000 apologies, my friend.
It's quite all right, Explosion.
Don't be so alarmed. It's merely a precaution. Just take the briefcase to the Russian Prime Minister at the embassy ball tonight. I'll be your escort, Roger. Oh, sorry. By Godfrey, these Russians sure know how to throw a party.
Ah, Explosion and Ethel, so good of you to come.
Admiral Koenig.
Come, there's someone I want you to meet. Excuse me, gentlemen, Prime Minister. Allow me to introduce Roger Explosion's secret agent and Ethel Ferguson.
Mr. Explosion, your reputation precedes you.
Ludansky Millennium.
Ah, you speak excellent Russian, Comrade Explosion.
Thank you. I believe this is for you.
To world peace.
World peace.
I wouldn't be too hasty about
That, my friends,
Buto!
do you remember this?
Also, Dr. Flardy, I knew it.
He's got the plans for the secret missile. Stop him, Roger.
Better be careful, Explosion. I planted an atomic bomb in that handcuff.
Aye! An atomic bomb! All these people in danger!
So long, suckers.
It was a mask! Look, out of the window! Buto's escaping in a minicab!
To the airport and step on it.
Not done enough, Buto!
I'll kill you for this explosion.
And that makes two of us! Well done, Explosion. I don't know how you did it, but you saved the world again. It's all in day's work.
All in a day's work for me. Roger Explosion, secret agent.
Wink. Yeah, that's good.
We are pleased to announce that the David McGann action-adventure series Roger Explosion Secret Agent will not be seen tonight owing to technical difficulties. Unfortunately, the replacement program is also by David McGann. The first released 1983 failed telemovie, Villain in a Cowboy Hat.
No one calls me a cattle rustler and gets away with it. Hey, get out of my way, old timer. You're right. My lips are mightily parched. I could certainly do with having me a drink. 2 fingers of vodka, please, in a dirty glass.
What they call you, stranger?
Black Bart, they calls me. But ain't no ornery rattlesnake gonna call me that unless I gives them permission. Your health, sir.
Black Bart.
Watch yourself, kid. So, Sheriff Murgatroyd.
I'm done telling you to stay out of town. When I says get, you get.
Smile when you utter that, partner.
Damn you to hell and back, Black Bart. Sheriff Murgatroyd's gonna ride out to the Badlands with this medicine for Ellie Sue.
But it was self-defense, I tells you. I'll clear my name and prove my innocence and deliver this medicine to Ellie Sue.
Look after her, kid.
Just get medicine I'm holding in my hand to small child and clear name. Giddy up, Ant. I'm the intrusion, ma'am. I got this medicine here for the child. There. Well, no, I'm sorry. I must go. Go.
Would you like some coffee? I got plenty.
No, I can't, thanks. I'm pretty busy. Until next week, then. Good night. Good girl, Ted. Good girl. Come on, let's gee up back to the place. Go! Oh, still got this.
Oh, Black Bart, you were innocent. You're a hero. How can we ever repay you?
Shucks, ma'am. All in a day's work for me. Roger Explosion, secret agent.
Dolores, get me Explosion. And quickly.
Yes, Minister?
Buto again?
I'm afraid so. And no doubt after some devilish plan. That's why I've called for Explosion. Roger Explosion.
Let me in, you goddamn sons of bitches, or I'll kill you all!
Ever been to Buto's secret ice palace before Explosion?
No, I haven't had the pleasure, Minister, but I'm certainly looking forward to it.
Remember Buto's replicoid army?
If you mean that flange of super robots that nearly took over the Earth, then yes, I remember them only too well. Tell me he hasn't rebuilt them. Tell me I don't have to live through that hell again.
There'll be time for that later. The Admiral will fly you to these coordinates in his atomic plane.
Thank you. We won't let you down.
And Godspeed to both of you. Before you go, Explosion, take this flame-throwing biro. It may come in handy.
Take care, Explosion. Buto's agents are everywhere. Why, thank you, Alfred.
Don't drink it, Admiral. It's poison. It's Buto's helper. Watch out for that glacier. And then they turn the cameras over. Where? What? You? Oh.
Explosion. So nice of you to visit me in my magical ice palace. You're just in time for my brain experiment.
Where?
Struggle all you will, my pretty, you cannot escape. You will be my prisoner forever. Your brain in a robotic version of Ethel. Thwart my plans a second time, Explosion.
But that's my middle name.
And the next thing I knew, I was on a plane bound for Australia.
Roger also cured me of poisoning.
That's nothing. He melted me to death.
Well, Explosion, you've done it again.
Roger, I can scarcely believe my ears.
Scarcely believe all the ears you like, Ethel. The facts are clear. Buto's been kidnapped.
But who, Roger? Who?
The moon.
Where is he?
A mystery man. A gosh damn mystery man.
Explosion, what can we do?
Minister, there's only one man or woman alive that can solve this crime. And that man or woman is me. And I'm very much alive. Of course, I'll need your good looks. And I need your naval expertise.
We'll do it.
Good.
I'm coming too.
Good. Then that makes the 3 Musketeers plus an additional one. Quick to the rocket ship and hurriedly. A rocket, and we're inside it.
Look, Roger, the moon.
No, Krill. These foolish earthlings have landed into my trap. Prepare to laser beam them to death.
Yes, my liege.
It's Krill. Laser beams are dangerous, Krill, and so are I. Take this. Look, up on the space wall. It's Buto. Oh, he's dead.
Explosion. I might have known.
David, it's coming from over here.
The feeds! So, Buto's brain! That's their plan. Well, this is one person